This is how a couple of kids that I had last year represented this number sentence 14 divided by 2 equals question mark. You can see a picture and a labeled number sentence, and both the picture and the labeled number sentence show that 14 is the total. It's being shared equally into 2 groups, and that we need to figure out how many are in each group. So why is it important to represent the number sentence before we start to write story problems? Say it out loud. Yeah, it helps to make sure that we understand the number sentence and reminds us of what we need to put into our story problem. So for a story problem about sharing division, what do we need to include? Say it out loud. We would need to tell the reader the total and the number of groups. And what do we need to ask the reader to find? Say it out loud. Yeah, we need to ask the reader to find the amount in each group. Okay, so here's a story from one of my students last year. It says that William had 14 cookies, and he wanted to make 2 bags of cookies with equal groups. So how many cookies would be in each bag? Where do you see the total in this story? Say it out loud. Yes, the 14 cookies are the total. Okay? So, does this problem tell the reader the number of groups or the amount in each group? How do you know? Say it out loud. This problem tells the reader the number of groups because it says there are 2 bags of cookies. And the 2 bags are the groups. Great. So what are we being asked to find in this problem? How do you know? Say it out loud. Yeah, we have to find the amount that should be in each group. Right here it says how many cookies are in each bag. So the cookies in each bag, that is the amount in each that we have to find. Great. So, does this story match the number sentence 14 divided by 2 equals question mark? How do you know? Say it out loud. Yeah, it does match. 14 is the total, and it says there are 14 cookies. 2 is the number of groups, and it says that he wants to put the cookies into 2 bags with equal groups. The problem asks us to figure out how many are in each bag, which is the amount in each group that we don't know in the number sentence. Awesome. Go ahead and click on the arrow to move to the next slide.